Section 3. How to print a pattern on the nail tips. Prepare the holder specially designed for the nail printer to print a pattern on the nail tips. And then stick the double-sided tape on the holder. The double-sided tape used here must be of a thin thickness. Avoid sticking the nail tips to a high position and touching the print head. Next, demonstrate the operation process of the nail printer to print a pattern on a nail tips. 2 patterns were selected for the nail style design in production, and prepared 2 pieces of white nail tips to print a pattern each. Keep the nail tips as centered and as straight as possible when applying it. Transparent printing gel, Bk10, is used here. The printing gel must be applied to the nail tips, and do not cure the print gel under the lamp before printing. Only in this way can printed pattern be clear. Now, put it in the nail printer, and pay attention to the action of pressing down. Ready to start printing. The nail printer used here is a portable model M1 and operated by the Auto Nails application. For a detailed introduction to the nail printer and the application, please refer to the relevant manuals and tutorials. You can use this application to browse and select any pattern you want. Then enter the print operation interface. You can see the position of the nail tips and the pattern. The position and size of the pattern can be adjusted automatically or manually. To start printing in high precision printing mode, it takes about 25 to 30 seconds to print a nail. After printing is complete, be careful to press down the holder first, and then take it out against the bottom. Avoid rubbing against the surface of the nail tips, and do not touch the nail tip surface before curing. The curing time of the printing gel is about 60 to 120 seconds. Generally, the darker the color of the printed pattern, the longer the curing time required. Print another pattern with the same operation, process, and method. The 2 patterns selected in the demonstration are printed on white-colored gel. In fact, you can also choose a different color as the background color of the print pattern. If you use different colors or textures of colored gel as the printing background, it will show different nail art design effects. A nail art design application of cat's eye gel is shown here. Similar changes are an inspiration that you can try differently. Whether it is applying the color gel or printing the pattern, it needs to be cured by lighting and continue to the next step of the process. This section explains the process and method of using a nail printer to print a pattern on a nail tips. The tutorial also describes the effect of changing the print background color and texture on the nail art design. Now, let's move on to the next tutorial. Section 4. How to decorate the nail art design.